What's up, detail junkies and clean freaks? Here's something most drivers do not think about. Your steering wheel, center console, cup holders, and gear selector collect a surprising amount of dirt, oils, crumbs, and bacteria over time. Your car may look clean from the outside, but the inside can tell a very different story. That is why today we are counting down 6 useful car cleaning gadgets you can find on Amazon. These are not flashy upgrades or expensive electronics. They are simple tools that help keep your interior cleaner, more organized, and much easier to maintain. We have everything from cup holder protectors and screen cleaners to detailing brushes, cleaning gel, and precision tools for those impossible to reach gaps. All the links are in the description. Let's get into it. On number 6, SINGARO Car Cup Holder Coaster. Starting at number 6, we have the SINGARO Car Cup Holder Coaster. This is one of those accessories that seems basic until you realize how gross cup holders get. Coffee drips, soda spills, condensation, crumbs, and dust all collect at the bottom, and cleaning that deep plastic area is never fun. The SINGARO coaster acts as a removable protective layer. Instead of scrubbing inside your cup holder, you can simply pull the coaster out, rinse it under water, dry it, and put it back. It is made from soft silicone, so it also reduces that annoying rattling sound when cups or bottles move around while driving. That makes it useful for both cleanliness and comfort. Compared with the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel later on this list, the SINGARO coaster is about prevention. The cleaning gel helps after dirt gets trapped in a tight space, while this coaster stops spills and crumbs from reaching the bottom of the cup holder in the first place. The main downside is fitment. These are designed as universal coasters, so they may fit perfectly in some cars and feel loose in others. If your cup holders are oversized, the coaster can move around or collect moisture underneath. That means you should remove and clean it occasionally instead of leaving it in place for months. Still, for a low-cost accessory that keeps one of the messiest areas in your car easier to manage, it is a smart little upgrade. On number 5, car glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. At number 5, we have something that is not a cleaning gadget at all, but it absolutely deserves a place in every car: a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. This is the emergency tool you hope you never need, but you will be glad to have if the worst happens. It combines 2 critical functions. The built-in blade can cut through a jammed seatbelt, while the spring-loaded metal tip is designed to break a side window in an emergency. The spring-loaded design is important because it does not require a huge swing or a lot of strength. You press it against the glass, activate the mechanism, and it concentrates force into one small point. Compared with every other product on this list, this one has a completely different purpose. The cleaning tools help maintain your car. This tool is there to help protect you and your passengers in an emergency. There are a few things to remember. It is designed for tempered side windows, not laminated windshields. It also needs to be stored somewhere you can reach quickly, such as the center console, door pocket, or attached near the driver's seat. Do not throw it in the trunk under a pile of bags. In a real emergency, accessibility is everything. The bright color is also useful because it is easier to find in low light or during a stressful situation. It may not make your car cleaner, but it is one of the most important low-cost accessories you can keep inside it. On number 4, CUIUD Touchscreen Screen Cleaner Kit. At number 4, we have the CUIUD Touchscreen Screen Cleaner Kit. Modern cars are packed with displays. Infotainment screens, digital gauges, rear entertainment screens, navigation displays, and even climate controls are now built into large, glossy panels. The problem is that these screens collect fingerprints, dust, makeup, food grease, and smudges almost instantly. The CUIUD cleaner is designed specifically for that job. It combines a screen-safe cleaning spray with a microfiber wiping surface in one compact tool. The small size is what makes it useful. You can keep it in the center console, glove box, or door pocket and quickly clean your display before a drive. Compared with the Ziciner detailing brush, This is built for flat surfaces and oily residue. The brush is better for vents, buttons, seams, and dry dust. The CUIUD cleaner is better for removing smudges from sensitive screens without using harsh chemicals or rough towels. It is also safer than spraying random interior cleaner directly onto your infotainment display. Many screens have coatings that can be damaged by alcohol-heavy cleaners or aggressive chemicals. The main limitation is that it is very specialized. It will not clean vents, textured plastic, cup holders, or sticky grime around buttons. But for drivers who hate seeing fingerprints all over their screen, this is one of the easiest tools to use regularly. On number 3, Ziciner Car Detailing Brush. At number 3, we have the Ziciner Car Detailing Brush. This might look like a simple brush, but it is one of the best tools for keeping your interior looking fresh between deep cleans. Its soft bristles are designed to lift dust from places microfiber towels cannot reach easily. Think air vents, dashboard seams, instrument clusters, cup holders, buttons, speaker grills, and piano black trim. The curved design helps it follow the shape of your dashboard and vents without scratching sensitive surfaces. Compared with the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel, the Ziciner brush is better for dry dust and quick maintenance. The gel is better for pulling crumbs and grime out of textured gaps. The brush is faster when you just want to sweep away dust before it builds up. It is also more reusable. You can wash it, dry it, and use it again for years. That gives it better long-term value than disposable cleaning products. The downside is that it does not work well on sticky messes. If you have dried soda around your cup holder or oily buildup on buttons, you will need a cleaner or detailing pick instead. But for everyday use, this is the tool that helps your car stay looking detailed without spending an hour cleaning it. On number 2, PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. At number 2, we have the PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel. This is one of the most satisfying cleaning tools you can use inside a car. The gel is soft, flexible, and designed to press into tight spaces where dust and crumbs hide. You can use it around the gear selector, air vents, dashboard texture, cup holders, door panels, speaker grills, and console seams. Instead of brushing dust around, the gel grabs it and lifts it out. That is where it beats the Ziciner brush. The brush is great for sweeping dry dust from a surface, but the gel can reach into textured plastic and narrow gaps where a brush cannot fit. It is also useful for removing crumbs, pet hair, and small debris from hard-to-reach areas. Compared with the VIKING detailing pick set, the gel is better for larger textured areas. The picks are better when you need to target one stubborn piece of dirt trapped in a seam or corner. The downside is that the gel does not last forever. Once it gets too dirty, dark, or sticky, it needs to be replaced. You also should not leave it in a hot car because heat can affect its texture. It is not made for screens, leather, or wet spills either. But for dusty vents, textured trim, and tiny gaps, it is one of the quickest and most effective tools on this list. On number 1, VIKING Car Detailing Pick Set. At number 1, we have the VIKING Car Detailing Pick Set. This is the tool that takes your cleaning from basic to professional. Most people can wipe down a dashboard. Most people can vacuum the seats. But the difference between a clean car and a properly detailed car is what happens inside the seams, cracks, buttons, trim gaps, cup holders, and tight corners. That is where these detailing picks come in. The set includes several non-marring plastic tools designed to remove stubborn grime without scratching your interior. You can use them to lift dried residue from console seams, pull hair from tight spaces, clean around buttons, remove dirt from door trim, and loosen debris before wiping it away. Compared with the PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel, the VIKING picks are more precise. The gel is great for loose dirt and textured surfaces, but these picks can target dried soda, old grime, pet hair, and buildup that is stuck in one specific area. They also work perfectly with the other tools on this list. Use the pick to loosen stubborn dirt, use the brush to sweep it away, then use the gel to clean the remaining dust from the texture. The biggest advantage is that these are reusable and long-lasting. Unlike cleaning gel or disposable wipes, a good detailing pick set can stay in your car cleaning kit for years. For the price, the versatility is hard to beat. It is the one tool that helps you reach places towels, brushes, and vacuums simply cannot. That is why the Viking Detailing Pick Set takes the #1 spot. Final thoughts. There you have it, 6 useful car cleaning and safety gadgets that can make a real difference inside your vehicle. The SINGARO cup holder coasters are great for preventing messes before they happen. The glass breaker and seatbelt cutter is the emergency tool every car should have. The CUIUD screen cleaner keeps modern displays looking clear and streak-free. The Ziciner brush is perfect for daily dust removal. The PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel is unbeatable for vents, textured trim, and tight gaps. But the Viking Detailing Pick Set is the overall winner because it handles the stubborn grime that other tools cannot reach. Which one are you adding to your car cleaning kit first? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you find a useful new car gadget, hit the like button, subscribe for more Amazon car accessory reviews, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next video. All the links are in the description. Thanks for watching, and drive clean.